Hello guys, I have now changed my channel name to Mr. Random. Reason being, I don't have a certain niche, or whatever you want to call it. I do anything and everything. Today, I am going to show you a simple paper airplane tutorial. Now, I've come to think that I have invented this, so hopefully nobody has thought of this yet. You need to start by folding it over a long ways, as exact as you can get it, as precise as you can get it. The more effort you put into this and the less sloppy you do it, the better it'll be. Okay, so what you want to do is open it up. It starts off just like a basic paper airplane. You now want to fold it to the crease you've made before. Don't do your best not to go over the line. That is one of the most crucial things. You need to be able to fold it without it creasing any of this. And for right now, it looks sideways because I've turned the paper a bit sideways. It is, of course, hard to video right now with me because I'm basically holding. I don't have a cameraman, so I'm holding the phone with one of my hands. So of course, I have to use one hand for the other thing. Okay, after you've done that, you need to grab this and fold it over as well. Usually, I would do this. I would hold this part down so it doesn't move, but I've only got one hand, so I can't, I can't do it with, I can't hold this and do it at the same time. And you want to make it as exact as you possibly can when it comes to, the crease. And I'll try to show you guys how it flies. I am sorry this is taking so long. It is just really hard to do this with one hand. Perfect. There we go. Just like you would a regular paper airplane. And now do it on the other side too. Now, once I get this done, I'm gonna cover the camera, and then I will throw it outside. I'm sorry this is taking a minute. It's just hard to do this. Okay. I'm sorry. Let me do it with this hand real quick. I'm still not good at making these videos. I am extremely sorry. Okay. Now, whenever you get it this way, instead of folding it over immediately and doing the wings like you would a regular airplane, you grab the top of it here, you fold it, and this part's important. You need to make sure that the line on the back here is aligned with the crease. That is extremely important. I'm sorry I'm using a padded surface right now. Okay, next, you want to flip this part up. I try to get to just about here. There you go, see? And you gotta make sure it's still aligned with the middle. Just like this. Now, give me a second here. What you need to do now is fold it over. Oh, give me a second. There we go. fold it over. Now, since I'm using one hand, this isn't, well, exact. So, you doing it with both, doing this with both hands is probably going to be a bit better. And then you need to do this, which is just as exact as you can get it, because there's only so much you can do when it comes to that. And you want to make it, see, you just need to make sure you don't fold too much, of this part here will rip. And you do it with the other side. Now let me crease this real quick. Bear with me here. Before I take it outside, I gotta make it just a little bit more symmetrical. So I'm just using two of my hands. And then, there we go. Doing this as fast as I can. And I have had some fails with this. You need to make okay. You need to make doubly sure that your wings stay as up as possible. Well, not completely up, I mean as straight as possible. Okay, almost. I'm making another one as well. That's a bit more. I'm trying to make one that uses both hands as well, because this one that I've made that I was making during this video, of course, is not going to be as good as if you spent time on it, use two hands, etc. So I am making a exact copy, well, not exact copy, a copy of it that will also be determined. Okay. I also made this one just slightly different. Where'd it go? Okay, there we go. When you are done, you'll have something reminiscent to this. Now, the proportions of it will change depending on how far that you will fold that up. Like, here's one I just made it. Same exact mechanic, but I made the tip of it a bit more, bigger. Now I'm gonna go outside to do test flight. I'm gonna warn you, it's a bit dark outside. It's almost dark anyways. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost dark. Perfect. One at a time now. Hopefully the wind doesn't pick up. Don't mind the trash. Here's this one, which didn't really fly very far. Give me a second. Now, what I just did wrong is you need to like fold them up a little bit. There we go, like this. Perfect. And there you have it.